How often have you been using meth?
2012.
No, I mean, you've been using it more than, I said, how often? Here's calling 2022 CR 0122, State of Texas versus Laura Gallegos. If I can have parties announced for the record for the state.
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
On behalf of Mr. Gallegos, Miss Gallegos, I'm sorry.
And are you Laura Gallegos?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
We discussed it, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gallegos, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding? It appears that you're proceeding on the indictment as presented. Is that correct?
Well, we're waiving the repeater status, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay. Any objections?
No objection, Judge.
Ms. Gallegos, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, sir.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she is and was, Your Honor.
Ms. Gallegos, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There is to be restitution for drug testing to Castle Hills PD. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Motion's filed unheard, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years and that there be a TAP evaluation and 150 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
Review the documents, Your Honor.
All right, any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, you may continue. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting?
Judge,
Yes.
her left ear is the good ear, Your Honor. I was
Okay.
talking in the right ear. I just want to remind her, confrontation means we have a right to trial, cross-examine.
Okay, you're whispering to her in the court, Mr. Bartholomew. What you're whispering to her, the court reporter is trying to pick up.
Oh. I just explained, Your Honor, confrontational right to trial, Your Honor, and to cross-examine witnesses, just because she kind of blinked her eye, that's why.
Okay. All right. So you understand that the state is not going to be calling any witnesses today. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that the state is going to prove up their case through police reports and laboratory reports and the documents that are in state's exhibits 1 and attachments. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt if you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
On behalf of my client, Your Honor, first of all, she's been in custody. I've cautioned her long and hard about the nature of the plea, Your Honor, the risks extended to it. At this point in time, Your Honor, she's fully aware of courts and conditions that the court could apply. I'd ask that she be given intensive outpatient treatment, Your Honor, and that she be placed on deferred adjudication. At this point in time, the issue of employment, of course, would be a concern regarding the fine. And however, Judge, I would also ask in the alternative that the fine is assessed, that she be allowed to either buy out community service or the probate half of it. Judge.
All right. How old are you?
45.
Do you have any children?
Yes, 5.
5 children? What are their ages?
27, 24, 21, 20, and 22. They're
Adults.
adults.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
I'm gonna say 6 years ago.
6 years ago? So what have you been doing to support yourself?
Sorry.
How are you supporting yourself?
I was living out in the country with my boyfriend.
What are you all
Moving
living on the land? How are you living?
Moving hay, cows, cattle,
Farming, Judge, I guess.
All right. Is this boyfriend Stephen LaFest? All right. That relationship is over. Because obviously he has drug issues too. You can't have 2 people together who are not in sobriety using drugs. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your drug of choice?
Meth.
How often have you been using meth?
2012.
No, I mean, you've been using it more than, I said, how often?
Every day.
Every day? Do you have any other criminal history other than what's in the indictment?
Do I have criminal history? Yes.
Other than what's in the indictment, what is your criminal history?
The federal case, Your Honor,
Yeah.
means anything other than your federal case. Do you have any other cases? No.
Any violent history?
No.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. 4 years deferred adjudication. TAP evaluation. That's going to be in custody. I will refer her to felony drug court, but I don't know if felony drug court is going to accept her based upon the federal conviction.
That was 205, Your Honor.
Okay. No, I understand, but they may not accept you because of that, because it's distribution. So we'll do a referral to felony drug court. If felony drug court doesn't accept her, to follow all TAP evaluations. So if TAP says inpatient treatment, you're going to inpatient treatment. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you've reformed the 3 to a 4, Judge, is that what you're
Yes.
saying?
If you complete everything early, then I'll consider early release. There's to be 150 hours of community service restitution, proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until she's in a treatment program. It's going to be random, regular UAs, regular reporting, and 90 meetings and 90 days. And that's sober meetings.
Define sober meetings for her, Your Honor, so she understands.
There are your AA meetings. They call them sober support meetings now. There's going to be no contact with, want to make sure I have his name spelled correctly. Stephen, Steven, middle name Clay, last name Leifeste. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And restitution, if any, to Castle Hills Police for drug testing.
And Your Honor, would that include grandchildren for children have children
Yes,
for a period of time, Your Honor,
until further notice.
that we come back and review?
Yes. All right, probation, is there anything else she needs?
The drug court referral in custody as well?
Yes.
Okay, yes, sir. That'll be it.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I'm assuming, Your Honor, that the TAP will be inpatient as well.
Yes, if TAP said
No, what I mean is the evaluation would be,
in custody.
well, so we'll get them both done at the same time.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court?
No, Your Honor, may I talk to my client?
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You're gonna have to do better. You understand?
Well, she will.
We say that, but we shall see.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have a sure.
Okay.